In this video, I'll show you how to disable ads and annoying ads notification on your Samsung Galaxy A26 and A36. So the first step is to drag down from the top right corner and then select the cogwheel, the settings menu. Once you are in the settings menu, all we have to do is to go down and select notifications. From here, you're going to select lock screen notification. And over here, show content, click on the cogwheel, and you're going to get all the apps that can actually send you a notification on the lock screen. So if you're receiving ads from any of these apps, you can block them. So let's say internet browser, they're sending app notification you don't want. The Samsung store, this is another one that can do this. So you can turn this off. So go over here and select all the apps you don't want to see anymore sending you notification on the lock screen. Go back, and now select notification pop-up style. And from here, click on apps to show as brief. And again, uncheck all the apps you do not want to see any notification from. Again, the Samsung store, and you may have other ones that you don't like. So go ahead, uncheck everything you don't want to see. Go back. Edge lighting, it should be by default none, so there's no point of clicking on it. Go back. And now go down in this main menu screen of your Samsung phone. We need to select apps right over here. Go in apps. And now if you're receiving notification from an app that you don't want on your phone, but you cannot delete, for example, let me see, Bixby Vision, all right? Maybe you never use it and you're receiving ads from this. You can go over here, see notifications, click on it. Right now it's blocked, so it cannot send me notification, but you'll be able to block the app from sending you any kind of notification. And you can do this with many different other ones. For example, let me see, Gaming Hub. By clicking here, notification, I already turned off notifications, but if you want to use this app anyway, you can also uninstall it. Gemini, that's another one many people complain about this because they sent annoying notification. You can go ahead and disable the app. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.